All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to set up the Uniform Motion Lab. Okay, you're going to grab LabQuest, you're going to grab a Buggie, you're going to, now the battery's not charged on these because we're just coming back from summer, so I'm just going to plug the power in, but yours will have battery power, so you can just go ahead and press the power button. It's going to take a few minutes to load up. While it's loading, I'm going to grab a motion detector. These are the same as these, so it doesn't matter which one. Just grab one motion detector. And we're going to unpack this. And the best way to, most stable way to operate this motion detector is just to flip the detecting end up. And we're using a cart, so we're going to set this to cart. And put that down, plug in our cable. And by the time you do this, get the box out of the way, the LabQuest should boot up. So you're going to plug the motion detector into the top here. Either one, doesn't matter, 2 or 1, there you go. And as soon as the LabQuest boots up, we're basically ready to go. So the whole purpose of this activity is to demonstrate uniform motion. So you're going to want to make sure that your motion detector is pointed nice and straight at the back of the Buggie. And if it's not perfect, we can run this lab as many times as you want just to get it right. We're still booting up here. In the meantime, to turn the Buggie on, there's an on-off switch on the side here. Once you turn it on, there's no easy way to turn it off other than grabbing it and turn it off, okay? Do not let it run off of the lab bench. Mr. Tennant will be very grumpy if you do that. I don't need to auto-recover any data. I'm going to pull my stylus using my fingernail out of the back. And because I don't want this old data, I'm going to hit cancel. So now you can hear the motion detector clicking. And we're ready to take some data. Now, I don't know if 5 seconds is going to be enough, so I'm going to play it safe. 7 seconds should be enough. So I'm going to go to 7 seconds. I'm not going to increase my sample rate because the line should be pretty straight, and if I take too many samples, it'll make the line look a little squiggly. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is, just change to 7 seconds, hit OK. And we're basically ready. So when I press the play button, the LabQuest, the motion sensor, will start to take data. So I'm going to press play, and I'm going to turn it on as soon as I hear the quick clicks. So play. And stop. Okay, wow. Look at this data. Nice, straight position data. Nice, flat speed data. They call it velocity on the LabQuest. And see all this noise? This is where I grab the cart. This flat part at the beginning is where I started the data. So if I want to throw away this other stuff, I can just highlight the stuff I want, go to graph, and go to zoom in. If I want to zoom out, zoom out. So let me just zoom in again. And you can see all this noise. Something tells me that at about that spot, from here on, the cart may have gotten too far away from the motion sensor. So I'm going to grab the stuff I want again from here to here. So see on the velocity down there, it's pretty constant. I'm going to zoom in again. And if you keep zooming in, you can see it's not perfectly straight now, but you have to look at your scale. The difference is so minute, that's part of the error in using one of these motion sensors. But you can see the position is really flat. And if you click anywhere on this data, it tells you the values, position, velocity, the time when it happened on the side. Okay, that should give you enough information to do this lab. When you are all done, all you have to do to turn this off is press the home key, touch, system, touch, shut down. Then hit OK. It just warns you you're going to turn it off. And you're going to put your stylus back. You should hear a click. And unplug. And unplug. When you put your LabQuest back, make sure the tether is pulled back and place it on like so. All right, good luck.